To begin copy trading on Bitget, start by opening the website or app. Then click on the Copy option. From there, choose the type of copy trading you want to engage in, such as futures copy trading, spot copy trading, or bot copy trading. For this example, futures copy trading will be selected. This will open up a new page displaying the top traders, ranked by their highest ROI. You can also view all available traders and rank them according to various options, including overall ranking, followers, ROI, and more. Selecting a trader to copy is as simple as clicking on the Copy button next to their name. Before proceeding, you must agree to the terms and conditions. Then confirm your decision. The next step is to allocate funds to the chosen trader, with the minimum and maximum investment amounts being 10 USDT and 20,000 USDT, respectively. Additional settings, such as stop-loss ratio, take-profit ratio, and maximum copy, can be adjusted as needed. You also have the option to enable or disable autocopy, which allows the platform to automatically replicate the trades of elite traders. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be copying the selected trader. Your total follow amount, net profit or loss, and other details can be viewed on the subsequent page. This process outlines the basic steps for initiating copy trading on Bitget.